Hello everyone, welcome to codingscientist.com. You are watching World of Sensors Zero to Hero series using Arduino UNO and multiple sensors. Alright guys, so let's move on. We are going to use a new type of sensor called a line finder sensor. It's basically a line tracking sensor, like black and white line can be detected, and which is highly used in robotics application. So basically line finder is designed for a robot to follow a black color line, right? Or you can call it as a road, black color tar road, and both the sides of the lane has got white color marking. So it has a infrared emitter LED and an IR sensitive photoresistor, or you can call it as a photo transistor as well. It can output a digital signal to a microcontroller so that the robot can follow a black line on a white background, or vice versa. You can program it either ways, however you want. So let's quickly take a look at the code. So you need to plug the sensor to the D3 port, right? So let me quickly show you how I have plugged it, and I will show you the sensor as well. So this is how the line finder sensor looks like. It's got two different IR LEDs with a small microchip inside. It's basically inbuilt, and it's connected. I have connected to D3 port. If you see it here, this is D3. It's clearly written, it's D3, right? So go ahead, plug the sensor, and let's take a look at the code. So I'm going to share the code with you in a minute. So if you go to my GitHub here, right? So this is my GitHub account, Anbu Kumar Maker. Go to Arduino sensor projects. You can directly search for it, and then go to lesson number 5, the line finder, right? Line underscore finder .ino. This is the file. You need to pick it up and go to raw, click on raw, and then say Control A and then Control C, and come to Arduino. You can paste it here. This is the just about 19 lines of code, 19-20 lines of code. It's pretty straightforward and simple. And then you need to select your board. In board you need to select your Arduino UNO, and then select the COM port. Go to tools, select COM port. My COM port is 6, yours might be different, so you got to keep a note. And then you need to upload the code by clicking this arrow. Once you upload, right, what you need to do, click on the serial monitor, right? So let us read. So what it is written, black, 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 black. Let me tilt the sensor upside down, and it's gonna say white. Can you see that? It's white. It says white. If I tilt the sensor on the top towards the light, it says black, black, right? So you can actually take a black color tape and put it on your table, or white background table, or even on the white floor, the tiles. If you have a white marble tiles, put a black color tape all around and keep the sensor and try to detect both the floor and the black tape. So this is how you work with a line follower sensor. This is also called as an infrared sensor. So guys, there are ton loads of things we can do with this particular project, right? So we can build a bot which can follow a road. We can come out with some inventive project, and leave a comment below. Do reach out to me for help. I can help you build ton loads of different kinds of projects using this sensor. I will see you soon in the next lesson. Goodbye.